Get ready to fall in love with easy living in Wellington Reserve. This beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome offers comfort, style, and seriously low-maintenance living with peaceful pond views right outside your door. Step inside and you're welcomed by soaring vaulted ceilings and a bright open great room that instantly feels like home. The main level features sleek, luxury vinyl plank flooring and a layout that flows effortlessly from the dining space into a modern, well-equipped kitchen. Think stainless steel appliances, tons of cabinetry, and a large quartz island, perfect for everything from morning coffee to hosting friends. Upstairs, your spacious primary suite becomes the perfect retreat, with a walk-in closet and a private ensuite featuring dual vanities. 2 additional bedrooms give you flexibility for guests, family, or even that dream home office. And it doesn't stop there. Enjoy the convenience of a 2-car garage, extra storage, and a dedicated laundry space that keeps life running smoothly. All of this just minutes from Jefferson Pointe, dining, entertainment, and quick access to I-69. Comfort, convenience, and carefree living with a view. This is the one you've been waiting for. Call Samantha Mason today.